Color grading is essential to every filmmaker or video creator. However, it might be a little difficult for newcomers to do the color grading, because it is very time-consuming to learn from scratch this huge learning system, and meanwhile make the most out of it. The use of 3D LUTs helps make it easier for you to edit and mix the color and get a result you desire. Unlike a bunch of paid LUT package out there in the market, I will also share in this video some free resources that you could work with to add 3D LUTs. So if you're interested, let's get into today's video. When you watch a movie, do you often have the feeling that the colors of the picture are so delicately rich and are attracted by the contrast definition of the warm and colder color that an image brings to you? In fact, the use of 3D LUT can also make your video more cinematic. Well, to put it simple, 3D LUT is a preset color package with which you can quickly achieve the color effect you want in your video. Generally, when you shoot in a log mode and your footage would turn out in an intensified gray tone, adding 3D LUT could improve the overall color a whole lot better. And if your footage does not come in a RAW format in the first place, it is recommended that you do a color correction first to your clips. This is very important. Only when you use 3D LUT on this ground will you get the right color effect. And of course, we also have shown you how to do the color correction in the previous episodes, and I will put a link in the screen. If you're interested, go check that out. Now, free download the software. Launch it. Create a new project. Import a video clip. Drag it into the video track. Then find the color icon in the toolbar. Click on it to enter the color editor panel. Here you can find a bunch of LUT presets to work with. And different types of LUT can be applied to different types of videos to help you quickly adjust the color. In addition, in the bottom left corner here, you can find this Add Local 3D LUT file type of thing. Click the Add. Find the 3D LUT that you have downloaded in your computer. Here, all my 3D LUT presets come from a free source website called Boundless Color. And I will put a link address in the description box down below. Go to the website and click to download. And the LUT package would be available locally on your computer. In this LUT package, we can find this kind of LUT which works for Canon, DJI, Sony, and other cameras. These LUTs are of a great use to address inaccurate color tones and enhance your color effect. Now select all the LUTs and import into the software. As you can see now, they are all here in your list. Select a LUT that works for your clips. You can see the difference immediately in the preview window. If you want to adjust the intensity of the LUT, just pull the slider here on the right side. And you're done. And of course, if you have other ideas about color mixing, you can further work on the LUT in this section here. Until you get the result you want. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Now let's look at the before and after we apply this 3D LUT. Alright, If you do feel impressed by this kind of color change, go download the free 3D LUT package and apply them to your videos. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. We'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!